Are your Qt project application failing because of the qt5cored debug library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's fix those broken file references immediately. To kick off the qt5core debug library guide, I've provided an official resource for maintaining a healthy and synchronized workstation. This is the qt5core debug library, the debug D version of the standard qt5core library. It is used by software engineers to track object lifecycle errors and signal routing bugs. If reported missing by a consumer app, it indicates an improper distribution build. Replacing it with the retail qt5cored DLL and renaming it is a common workaround for users facing module not found errors in dev-centric software. Now let's get this fixed up. Our first move is installing a fresh, clean copy of the library. This issue is best handled by the Windows Resource Protection Service. Open an elevated command prompt and enter sfc/scan now to allow Windows to identify and replace corrupted core files such as qt5cored debug library DLL. When the primary installation path fails, a more surgical approach to checking your system's environmental variables is required. A full system restart clears the temporary memory cache and allows Windows to attempt a fresh initialization of all required libraries, including qt5cored debug library. Before you reboot, make sure to bookmark this video or click the like button so you can easily find your way back to the next step once your PC is back up and running. Since the restart didn't reset the service, we'll manually trigger the refresh now. If you need to pause the video anytime during these instructions, go ahead. If the restart didn't fix the performance alerts, we need to rebuild the diagnostic counter registry. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodctr//r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, while these files almost never break, their registration in the performance registry Hive does. This command wipes those entries and rebuilds them. Before we finish, let's go over the professional protocol for sourcing essential system libraries. Be suspicious of any site that asks you to disable your antivirus to install qt5cored debug library DLL, as this is a major red flag for malicious software. For those who prefer a structured maintenance plan, you can access an official diagnostic resource at the link below. Instead of manual troubleshooting, you may review automated diagnostic options referenced below for qt5cored debug library. To keep your workstation running with a reliable configuration and ensure qt5cored debug library remains stable, subscribe to our channel and like this video.